Yo, 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 and hello, Mastu. Today, we are going to make a snack that I ate when I was little. It's called ants on a log. Ants on a log?
But I don't want to eat ants.
Calm down, don't worry. We're not eating ants. I'll show you the recipe.
Show you?
But show you. It's funny.
No.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
Show you doesn't equal show you. Please remember. Anyway, let's get started.
You need peanut butter, raisins, celery, a knife, and a cutting board. First, cut the celery. Cut off the end and the leaves. You can use the leaves in many recipes, so please save them. Next, cut the celery into 3 pieces. Spread peanut butter on each piece. Now, put your raisins, in the peanut butter. And we're finished. Raisin ants on celery logs. Healthy and delicious.
What do you think? Does this look like this? Please tell me in the comments below. Next time you're hungry, please try ants on a log. See you soon.